Welcome back, everyone, to our spring semester in the Early Childhood Department at Harper College. I want to take just a couple minutes to make sure you're aware of some exciting things going on in our department and let you know where you can come for help when you need it. First off, you see our SEA is off to a great start. We're looking for some fun social meetings this semester. SEA is a campus club for people who are teaching right now or hope to teach in the future. Very casual meetings on Mondays, 2 to 3 in I-115. You'll see here the first date is right around the corner, February 5th, so I hope you join us. A lot of the EDU and ECE instructors give extra credit for attending those meetings, so that's a great thing to check out while here on campus. Great way to meet some people who are like-minded as well. Something else I'd like to point out to you is our early childhood website on the college's main site. If you come here, it's a great resource for all of the different degrees that we offer. You get there by starting at harpercollege.edu, academics, choosing education, and then early childhood. So you see we offer one degree with 3 different specializations. We have some options for transfer people who will go on to a 4-year college. And then all of our certificates, which is a great place to start in the field of early childhood. So you can always contact me for help with these things, but the website is another great resource. Here's my contact information. I'm the department coordinator in ECE. You can come find me in my office. You can come by email or call, whatever works best for you. I'm here for you. I hope to help you in your course planning. Make sure that you can complete your credential or degree in a really timely fashion. So please stop in this semester, get to know me, and make sure that you're on your way to success. Have a great spring.